welcome back to the railway. I'm Steve, TT120. This is Churchill Station. Got a couple of things to talk about today. We've got the new Leviathan. It's in analogue at the moment, and we're going to get him running on the rolling road. Also, I've made up a lead here for these banana plugs, and they're not working. Today I'm doing a little review on the DCC Concepts rolling road. It comes in 3 different scales. I've changed it now to the TT version, and this is up and running with the DC version of the Leviathan. Okay, with these banana plugs, I bought a quantity from China on eBay. They got this little cage piece around the outside which spins. So when you insert that into a socket, one would think you're going to make connection. So I made this lead up, connected it from the power supply to the loco, and the loco wouldn't run. And I thought, this is strange, but so I went back to the power supply, and suddenly the train started moving, and I'm going, I just wobbled this cable, which had inadvertently just moved this plug slightly in the socket. So what then discovered that the cage around the outside wasn't making contact with the pin. So watch out for that if you've got these in. Don't think just because you've made it up and stuck it in the power supply it's going to work. Test it first. Put a voltmeter on it or something, or even a LED or a light bulb, just to see that it's working. Wobble them around a bit to see if you're getting bad connections. But I got over it by putting a little bit of solder on the end, and a bit of flux, a bit of solder, and it's not a problem now. So I hope this has been helpful for you. Hope you've enjoyed that. Been quite working on the layout, getting ready for the show down at Gaydon. Hopefully this weekend we'll see you at the Great Electric Railway Show. Got some more interesting stuff. But don't forget, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Actually, I'm just going to show you a little outtake, because these videos don't always work straight away. So it's just a little outtake at the end. Hi, I'm Steve, TT120.